Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture. Today let us discuss on the topic data import and export, mastering data formats. Efficient data handling is vital for modern businesses. Billions of bytes of data are generated daily. Streamlined processes can save 20 to 30% in processing time, crucial for integration and analysis. Why data import and export matters? Of the following reasons. Data sharing, meaning facilitating data sharing across disparate systems and teams. Seamless analytics, which means enables smooth analytics from diverse and complex sources. Migration, migration and backup, crucial for secure data migration and robust backup strategies. Reporting support supports reporting for over 85% of business intelligence tools. Data import and export capabilities are foundational. They underpin crucial business intelligence and operational efficiency, allowing organizations to leverage their information effectively. Comma separated value files, the universal plain text format. Description, comma separated values are human readable with a simple structure. The pros are highly compatible, small file size. The cons are no inherent schema, data type ambiguity, delimiter issues. Common issues are incorrect parsing from commas in fields, encoding errors. CSV remains a fundamental format for data exchange. Its simplicity ensures broad compatibility, yet its lack of structure demands careful handling. Excel, the business standard. Description, spreadsheet format. XLS, XLXX. With rich features, the pros are user-friendly guide, multiple sheets and formulas, extensive formatting options. The cons include proprietary format, row limit of 1,40,576 in XLXX, large file sizes, macro security reasons. Common issues are mixed data types in columns, merged cells, hidden rows in columns. Excel is ambiguous in business operations due to its versatility. However, its proprietary nature and potential for data inconsistencies require careful management during import and export. Other essential data formats include JSON, lightweight, hierarchical, and web application platform interfaces. XML, which is self-describing, robust legacy systems. Backward, columnar, optimized for analytics, 25%. Avro, row-oriented schema evolution. Apache Kafka, databases, direct connections, SQL, ODBC, JDBC, beyond CSV and Excel, a range of specialized formats cater to specific data type, data needs. Choosing the right format optimizes performance, flexibility, and compatibility for diverse applications. Common challenges in data handling, data quality, inconsistent formats, missing values, incorrect types, causes issues. Schema drift, changes in column types or order over time complicate pipelines. Performance, handling large volumes requires optimized processing. Encoding issues, character set mismatches cause corrupted text affecting readability. Security, protecting sensitive data during transfer and storage is paramount. Data handling is fraught with challenges from maintaining data integrity to ensuring robust performance. Addressing these proactively is critical for reliable operations and accurate insights. Best practices for data import, validation. Implement strict data type and range checks, error handling. Log and report invalid records, prevent data corruption and loss. Batch processing process large files in manageable chunks. Schema interface dynamically detect column types for enhanced flexibility and adaptability. Pre-processing clean and normalize data before import for consistency. Adhering to best practices for data import ensures data integrity and efficiency. These steps minimize errors and optimize the entire data pipeline. Best practices for data export. Format selection. Choose optimal format for SPNC use case. Compression. Use gzip for or snappy for reduced file size. Security. Encrypt sensitive data. Apply access controls. Efficiency. Stream data to avoid memory overloads for large exports. Versioning. Include timestamps or version numbers for datasets. Effective data export practices are crucial for security and usability. These steps ensure data is delivered efficiently and in the correct format for its intended purpose. Key tools and technologies. Programming languages Python, R, Java, database tools, SQL copy, load data in file, pgthumb. ETL tools include Talend, Informatica, Apache Nifi, dbt for complex workflows, cloud services, AWS Glue, Azure Data Factory, Google Cloud Data Flow. A rich ecosystem of tools supports data import and export, from coding libraries to cloud native services. Choosing the right combination enhances efficiency and scalability for any data task. Conclusion. The future of data exchange, 90% organizations need continuous adaptation to new data formats and technologies. Mastering data formats and best practices ensures data integrity and utility. Emerging trends like real time streaming and automated pipelines are reshaping data exchange. Continuous adaptation is essential for future success. Thus, coming to the end of the session, I thank you all. In next video, we will discuss another topic. Thank you all.